The best hangar sites in the country are becoming scarce, so operators need to be intentional about how they use their land to maximize the number of hangars they can build. A client brought me a biparting door design, 6 leaves on 3 rails, center opening configuration, 100 feet of clear opening space. Now, because the building wasn't wide enough, the PEMB had to add these 17 by 8'6" pockets to make it work. Now, it was clear the aircraft they planned to store weren't especially wide, so I asked the client to confirm whether they could operate with a narrower clear opening. Once they approved that adjustment, I proposed this revised layout. This is 4 leaves on 4 rails. Panels 1 and 4 are motorized. Leaves can travel left or right, providing 75 feet of clear opening. Now, there's no pockets required, which has reduced the building footprint and eliminated the PEMB's need to create those 17 by 8'6" pockets. This has resulted in material and construction cost savings. And the actual cost difference for this revised hangar door, including installation, was roughly 10,000 more. Now, a door like this isn't the right solution for everyone, and that's completely fine. The point is to simply show that a hangar door can be designed without pockets, and in many cases that approach can save land, reduce steel, simplify construction, and improve long-term usability. This same construction works whether the hangar is 240 feet wide or 180 feet wide. The only thing that's changing is the number of panels, rails, and motors that I specify. Thanks for listening.